This exercise is a calf raise on a leg press machine. It's a great exercise to help get some heavy load into the calf complex. So what you want to do is set yourself up on the leg press machine with the ball of your foot on the bottom of the plates you're pressing against. Some machines won't allow you to do that, so you might need to adapt. From there, fairly simple exercise. You want to push out to a position where your knee is at about 5 to 10 degrees of flexion. You don't want it completely locked out and straight. And then through the exercise, keep the knee as it is. And we're simply doing a calf raise movement, which is just pointing the toe out as far as you can and then coming back in. And the whole time we're doing this, we're doing it in a nice controlled fashion. So that is your calf raise on the leg press machine.